Hi everyone, my name is Akash and welcome to Pyspark Learning Hub. In this video, we will be solving an Pyspark problem. All the problem I will be discussing are sourced from various platforms like LeetCode, HackerRank or SQL Pad, or they are from real interview scenarios. I will be demonstrating my way or my approach of solving Pyspark problem. Any Pyspark problem solving typically involves few important steps. Step 1, understanding and discussing the problem. Step 2, identifying the input data and expected output. Step 3, writing the PySpark code to solve the problem. Alright, let's see today's problem statement. Step 1, understanding the problem statement. So, what we have today is the customer who never ordered. So, we have to write a PySpark program to find all the customer who never order anything. That means we have to find out those customer who have not ordered anything till now. Okay. So the difficulty level of this problem is easy. I will be sharing the schema and the data with you so that you don't have to waste your time in writing the data and creating the schema. So I hope this is clear about the problem statement. It is basically we have to find the customer who have not ordered anything till now. So let's go to step 2. And step 2 is nothing but identifying the input data and expected output. Let's see how does the input is looking like. So if you can see, we have two data frame. One is the list of customers where we have customer ID, which is just a ID 1234, and we have a name of a customer. And the second DF is order DF, where the columns are ID and customer ID. This ID is nothing but similar to order ID. This is the actual customer ID who has ordered. Okay. So from this, we can take out the customer who have never ordered anything, right? So if you see, uh, customer ID 13 have ordered, okay, whereas 24 have never ordered anything. So the expected output should be Henry and Max. That is why if you see, it is Max and Henry. So I hope this is clear on what we have to do. We have to just bring the customers who have never ordered anything and based out of this two data frame, right? So this is a pretty simple example. We particularly what we have to do here is perform a join condition and bring out Max and Henry. Okay. So before starting step 3, I want you all to pause this video and try to solve it. If you did not get the solution also, it is fine, but it is important to give a try. Remember, practice is the only way to learn the PySpark, right? So just pause this video and give a try. If you didn't get, you can watch this again and you can see how I have solved it. Okay, there are various way you can solve one particular problem, but again, the important thing is to achieve this particular output. Okay, you can try multiple ways also, but if you get the output solution, that is good. If you are writing 2 3 solutions also, it is very good, and you can select only one solution which is more optimized. Okay, so all right, let's go to step 3. We'll go to my Jupyter notebook and yeah, I have already created the Spark session. In previous video also I have covered how do we create the Spark session. Basically we use Spark session.builder function. We give some config statements where we have set the port as 0. We have set it what should be the warehouse directory, so on and so forth. Okay, and we have enabled the Hive support. We are using Yarn as a master. We are creating a Spark session, and already we have customer data and customer schema. The same way we have order schema and order data. Let's now create customer data frame and order data frame. Now here, to create a customer data frame, how do we create? We use spark.createDataFrame function, and In argument we give two details. One is the data, which is customer data in this scenario, and we give customer schema. Okay, so and let's create the order data frame also. How do we create? Order data frame is equal to spark dot create data frame, right? And in argument you give order data and order schema, right? Let's try to print this both data frame. What function we use to print the data frame? That's correct. We use show function, right? So customer dot df dot show function and order dot df dot show function. Okay. So let's try to see. Okay, we are getting some error. I think this is related to Spark. We'll restart the kernel. Okay, let me execute this. This is data frame. It is taking some time to execute. We'll restart the kernel again. Let me execute this first. So, it is taking a bit time. Let's wait for it. Okay, it has executed. Let's execute the second statement. Yeah, there you go. So we have created the customer data frame and the order data frame, right? So here to achieve the expected output, what we have to do is we have to join both the data frame, the customer data frame, and we have to join the order data frame and extract Max and Henry. Okay. So firstly, we are clear. We have to perform a join statement, right? So to perform any join statement, I have explained in previous video also. What you have to do is you have to take dot join function, data frame one dot join function. In argument, you have three type of argument. First is the second df, right? Second data frame you have to give the condition, join condition. Okay, join condition. Okay. And third is what type of join. Okay, what type of join you need to perform. Okay, what type of join you have to perform. So here the second data frame is order df, right? This is clear. Okay, and on what base you want to join? You want to join on customer df dot id, right? Customer df dot id should be equal to order df dot id, right? It should be order df dot id, right? Now here, if you perform left join, what all detail you get? You get Joe and Sam, which is 1 and 1. Okay, 193, sorry. Okay, if you want to get Henry and Max, there is one more join. What you have here is anti left. Okay, anti left join you have in Pyspark. Okay, let's see how does the output is looking like when we perform anti left join. I think it is anti left or left anti join. I think it is left anti, if I'm not wrong. Let's execute this. Left anti is nothing but the opposite of what left join is in simple terms. Okay, so what you will get is from this table non-matching record you will get when you perform the anti left join. If you just perform left join, what you get is 1 and 3 you will get. Okay, let me show you that. 1 and 3 you will get, plus all the records actually. This is correct actually. You will get all the records from left table, but matching record from the right table. But in this scenario, what we want is left anti. We want non-matching record anti-left. I think anti-left. This is a bit confusing. I hardly use this anti-left. Anti-left or left anti? I forgot it. Left anti join. Yeah, left anti. It is just you have to add the anti. Okay. So left anti join you have to do, and you have got the expected output. If you see, you have Max and Henry. You have Max and Henry. Okay. So what you have, you don't want ID, correct? You just want the names, right? So what we will do is, let's save this into result df and try to print this particular data frame dot show, and let's perform the same thing on this particular thing. Okay, result df dot, if you want to just select a particular column name, in previous video also we have seen we use the column function. Okay, we have multiple way. Okay, let me show here as well. Okay, multiple way you can select a particular column. Firstly, you can use the call function, or you can use result dot name, right? You can use result dot name function. Okay, or you can use result of like array. How do we mention the array index, right? You will mention something like this. So you have three way. You can select any one of the way, but usual standard way is this way, right? So I will remove this two thing, and let's execute this particular statement. There you go. So we have achieved the expected output. I will be sharing this document, so it has everything with screenshot. So this is how we need to solve any PySpark problem. Remember the steps which I have explained in this video. Try to apply the same approach to solve the PySpark problem. Remember, practice is the only way to learn PySpark. Tell us how you have solved this problem in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share this video to help others on their PySpark journey. The more you practice, the better you become. So keep practicing and keep learning. Thank you.